Hello developers. Do you know how to create a custom artisan command in Laravel? First, let's check whether the command already exists or not by running the PHP artisan command. Now let's create a custom command step by step using PHP artisan make colon command and then file name. Once you run this command, you can see that a new file has been created inside the app console commands folder. Now open this file. Here you can see the new structure. I have selected some code in this video so you can easily understand the new way of handling commands. But before we continue, let me quickly show you the old command structure that Laravel used previously. Sometimes developers accidentally add this old code which can cause issues. So let's add the old code once and see what happens. So as you can see here, this is the old structure. I have created dollar signature and dollar description variable. This is the old structure. Okay, so let's test it quickly. Now when we check the command list again, you can see our command is not showing here. Let's check. Yeah, so there is no any command created. This happened because the old code overrides the new structure, so Laravel cannot properly register the command. So let's remove this old code. Before removing it, let's copy the command name and description into the new structure. Now we remove the old code and keep the auto-generated Laravel code. Let's check again. Great. Now you can see our custom command is listed here successfully. Next, let's write the logic to clear the laravel.log file completely. First, we create a variable to store the log file path. Then, we check whether the file exists or not using the file class. First, we create a variable to store the log file path. Then we check whether the file exists or not using the file class. If the file exists, we empty the file and display an info message saying that the log have been cleared successfully. Let's write the code under if condition. As I said, we empty the file and display an info message saying that the logs have been cleared successfully. And now let's check the else condition, and if the file does not exist, we show another message informing that the log file was not found. And then finally we return command :success to complete the function, because every command should return a proper status. So before the write command, let's check first logs file under storage folder. Right now the laravel.log file is empty, so let's generate some error to add logs into that file. Now we will test our custom command, but wait, you can see an error here. This is a very common mistakes many developers make. When we use the file class, we sometimes forget to import the class at the top of the file. So always remember, whenever you use any class, make sure you import it properly. Now I have added the required class. Let's run our custom command again and see what happened. Wow, it's working. The log file has been cleared successfully. If you like this explanation, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. And feel free to comment if you think I can improve anything.